Did you know a simple ingredient can completely transform your energy and stamina? The solution isn't in expensive meds or long, complicated treatments. There's a 15-second trick using something you already have at home: salt. And the craziest part? This method is changing the lives of thousands of men worldwide, bringing back their vitality, confidence, and a level of energy they thought was gone for good. My husband was one of those guys who had tried everything. He wasted money on meds that didn't work, went through different treatments, and relied on pills that promised a lot but never delivered. Every failed attempt just made him lose more hope, until we found this simple trick. All he did was put a little salt under his tongue for a few seconds, and to our surprise, within days, everything started to change. He got his energy back, his confidence skyrocketed, and let's just say, our love life has never been this intense. But how does it work? The secret is in how salt affects blood circulation. Studies show it can boost blood flow by up to 324%. That means more stamina, more endurance, and a natural energy boost. No meds, no weird chemicals, just real results. And the best part? It works at any age. Even men over 70 are seeing insane improvements with this simple and effective technique. Now picture this: getting your energy back, reigniting the passion in your relationship, and waking up feeling refreshed, ready for more. Sounds good, right? The best part? You don't have to guess how to do it. My husband recorded a video showing the exact step-by-step method, breaking it all down so anyone can try it at home. The link is pinned in the comments and in the video description, but don't wait too long. This video could disappear at any moment, so watch it while you still can.